Videotape it.
Yeah, look at me.
Holy shit. I'm watching it in the mirror by Kevin. Oh my god, it's gonna hit me in the face.
No, it's not. That's so sweet. I'm gonna try to get out of here.
No! You're protecting my legs. Crystal's gonna like let loose and like hit you.
Look at it. It's not gonna. Look. That's sweet. Dude, there's a force field around your bed.
Yeah, but you can't leave the bed.
So, when you do that when you go into bed at night, so no one can come in.
Yeah, that lets go and like hits you in the face. Wake up time.
Whoa!
Kevin, stop! Don't throw it at me. Stop.
Keep on missing.
I'm like blocking my crotch so Kevin's gonna hit it.
Stop, Kevin!
Watch out.
No, Kevin, no.
What's he doing? Oh my god.
You whistling?
That's Crystal. That thing, dude, if you lift your head up, that hurts so bad. I was thinking about putting my head up.
Okay, that's it. No.